take this guy right by the police station. I hate this thing. I'm a genius. Tag teaming wood with my truck, and then also using it as an attack vehicle, because that's way cooler. I call this setup tag teaming wood in a non-sexual way. When you're out in the woods, you don't have your wood splitter with you. I mean, you could use an axe, but that takes labor. Hell no. So I invented this beauty. You got the spear splitter on the front. I don't know how well it's gonna work since it's not a wedge, but we'll find out. And then you got the 6-way log splitter on the back. Might just bend to shit in the first 30 seconds. Again, we'll find out. You're gonna mount your log up against a tree, boom, ram into it with the javelin, slam it into reverse, back into this tree where there's another log that's gonna 6-way split it. Tag teaming wood. We're just gonna start ramming into bigger and bigger and wetter logs back and forth until something breaks or bends or blows up. I'm also just gonna start ramming into random objects because logs get boring. He's gonna start by slowly pressing into it and see if it splits. It seems to have not worked. Check this out. What good idea works on the first try? Clearly none of mine. Intermission time. She's rewelded. Problem was, you know, I was thinking, oh, we need to build up to the bigger logs. Screw that. We're gonna start with the bigger logs. Bigger target. Brilliant. Wet piece of white fur here. It's good at skewering things. It's not going very well. I'll go get a dry log. Intermission time. I'm gonna put my phone in my mouth to film this.
Okay. Hey. Can you see anything?
We're not gonna do that. Nothing a little hunk of steel can't fix. Take 3. This is fine. This is fine. I have an idea. Solution. All it needs is something flat to push against. Big brain moment. Did it work? I knew it was genius. All you have to do is bring your skid steer out into the middle of the woods with you, or just bring a concrete truck out with you in the middle of the woods and pour a wall, and then wait about 3 or 4 days, and then you can push into that. Big brain moments. I'm fairly confident that this 6-way splitter is going to explode on this next hit. He's going to explode and probably be nothing more than scrap metal for the rest of his life, but he will have died in a field of daisies. So I don't want to hear any sad, you killed it, it's so sad. No, it's not. Daisies, died near daisies. I would die right now if I died in this field of daisies. I might. This truck could explode. I don't want to hear any crying. I bent my bumper. What? Somehow the thing that looks more flimsy than a wet noodle survived my truck bumper. How many pieces we got? 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not 6, but we were close. I changed my mind about the daisies. I don't think I want to die in a field of daisies because I am currently sneezing more than like an elephant in a hurricane. I hate it when things get stuck on the tip. Just pushing the skid steer back. So after about 2 hours of splitting, we managed to split 8 pieces of wood, only 2 of which will actually fit in a fireplace. Will it split wet logs? No. Will it split small logs? No. All I've managed to do with wet logs is skewer it on the end of my tip, but I'm not gonna give up. We have a whole load of wood that needs to get split. It's time to use my ingenuity. This is what I was born to do. This is what I'm known for, I think. This is not the first time I created a splitting hitch. This was actually the very first video I ever did, and I stuck it on the back of my truck and rammed into logs. Thought of another brilliant use for this that might come in even more handier situation. Get to that in a minute. I will split a small log. I will not be beat by something the size of my pinky toe. I have big toes. Give this guy a nice front row seat so he can see how it's done. Watch this. We'll just leave that there. I'm a genius. Look at what I found. Bingo. You know what that thing sucks at? Splitting wood, apparently. You know what it's gonna be good at? An assault vehicle. Yeah. Watch this. Is it good at splitting wood? Hell no. Is it good at assaulting things in a non-violent manner, right, YouTube? Heck yeah, it is. This is Tyrone. I'm coming for your ass, Tyrone. Not like that. I have found the true purpose of this vehicle now. Destroying things and scaring people. That's what this is for. Let's do that again. Tyrone is about to meet the javelin. Second. Skewering down. Where's the chair? Go, go, go. He's dead. How did that get there? Tyrone was skewered and then ran over. The chair has been no longer chairable. I'm a mad genius. Turns out I forgot to put the pin in when I tried using this splitch, and now it's stuck. Moi not good-o. Intermission time. I've got the front of it chained to the concrete wall, got all 4 tires blocked, and then I sprayed a whole bunch of PB Blaster up inside of it. If this doesn't work, we're pretty much screwed. Big brain moments with Carson, with a bit of tism. Half the use of an assault vehicle is it's meant to scare people. People see it, they're like, oh, they run and they're scared. So we're gonna go test this on public roads to see how people react to it. My guess is it's gonna make a great anti-tailgater. So we got the spear on the front, right, in case anyone pisses you off. And then you got the 2 splitters on the back. This truck, it doesn't go very fast. And people tend to be on your ass. Now, they won't. People start pissing you off, you skewer them. Or if there's an asshole behind you pissing you off, you brake check them and you smash into the front of their car. Then you run so you don't get in trouble. I'm kidding, I was kidding. That's sarcasm. Howdy. Howdy. At least I was nice enough to paint it red. I could have just left it gray or rust colored, make it so people run into it on accident, but I'm not an asshole.
And scaring people, that's what this is for.
Howdy. Howdy. People just don't seem to think much of it. Like, that guy didn't even turn his head. What the hell goes on in this town to where people look at that and we're like, don't even take a second glance? If I saw this on the road, I'm backing way up. I'm gonna be like, that guy's on something. I'm not, but you know, you're gonna think, why is this guy going so slow? Oh, he's speeding up now. Probably because he saw my giant spear on the front of it. You see him point? The guy's like, what was that? That's awesome. This guy's being an asshole ahead of me. I don't know what he's doing. Swirling all over the road, pushing on his brakes so he doesn't have to. He's going about half the speed limit. There's a little guy on a bike. He goes, what the fuck? Oh, it's all right.
Well, I suppose this is as low as we're going to see it. I heard the gas is going to go back up.
They were way more interested in gas prices than my truck. We're gonna take this guy right by the police station. And then on down Main. Hopefully none of my wood goes flying out of the back. I didn't strap it in. This guy behind me, he keeps pointing at it. I wasn't even speeding there. Look how far he backed up. This is about as fast as she goes. Now you can see why I need an anti-tailgater. Keep those people back. That guy's blinker don't work. I should skewer him, even though it wouldn't work because it's a dump truck. That guy did a second look. Turns out people weren't really terrified. They either just pointed and laughed or completely ignored me. So we've experienced many setbacks, but I'm no quitter. We still have a load of wood to split. Watch this. Check out this ingenuity. Yeah. Oh no. Intermission time. Problem fixed. We're gonna start off with the little baby 4-way. angle is not quite right. Flip it around. Watch it split on the first try. So that didn't work at all. Splitch number 2. And there. That might be the coolest thing that's gonna happen all day at this rate. This is gonna work. This might not work. So, things aren't going great. What's that? Here, dearie. Here, dearie. But hey, at least we still have the first original 8 pieces that were split. So there's that. At least it kind of looks cool, and it can destroy a camping chair. Darn. I want to try the spear now. I'm all out of genius ideas. I think my geniusness has been depleted for the day. Looks like I'm gonna have to go do some manual axe labor. Well, I know how to end this. I'm gonna go lay in this field of daisies and cry myself to sleep, and possibly even death, because my geniusness is no more. Go away, bee. Sometimes being a scientist is tough. You have this great idea and then boom, it flunks. I'll come up with another genius idea that probably won't work, and then probably another one, but eventually it's gonna work. Eventually. So I'm done. Oh, stop climbing my ear.